If you've been hunting for a professional automotive scanner that won't break the bank, you're in the right spot. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you 5 scanners that actually deliver on their promises. These aren't your basic code readers. We're talking bidirectional controls, advanced resets, and diagnostic power that rivals tools costing thousands. Whether you're a weekend warrior or running a shop, one of these will fit your needs and budget. Links to every scanner are down in the description box, so let's dive in. Starting strong at number 1, the Autel MaxiCOM MK808S scanner. What makes this scanner stand out is its bidirectional control capability. You're not just reading codes here, you can actually command your vehicle systems to test components in real time. The MK808S runs on Android 11.0 with a seriously upgraded processor. We're talking 5 times faster than the previous generation. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, this thing moves through diagnostics without lag. The tablet interface feels responsive and intuitive, which matters when you're under a car trying to figure out what's wrong. Now, let's talk about what you can actually do with it. You get 28 service functions covering everything from oil resets and steering angle calibration to injector coding and battery registration. It handles full system diagnosis across all modules: engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, body control, tire pressure systems, you name it. We're talking 1996 all the way up to 2025 vehicles. Here's the honest part though. While the interface is generally smooth, some users mention the learning curve can be steep if you're coming from a simple code reader. The sheer number of features means you'll need to invest time understanding what each function does. But once you get past that initial learning phase, this scanner becomes incredibly powerful. Pricing sits around $299 to $349, depending on current Amazon deals. And that's where the value really shines. Check the link in the description for the latest price. At number 2, we have the XTOOL D7 Bidirectional OBD2 scanner. The D7 brings 36 special functions to the table. We're not just talking about your standard oil resets here. This includes suspension calibration, power balance testing, VIN writing, crank sensor relearns, and AdBlue resets. If you work on European vehicles or modern domestic cars with complex systems, these functions are game changers. Now here's where it gets interesting. The D7 includes ECU coding capability. This opens doors to customization and programming that most scanners in this price range simply can't touch. You can enable or disable certain vehicle features, adapt new modules, and perform coding procedures that would otherwise require a trip to the dealer. Now, the trade-off with all this power is complexity and price. At around $499 to $599, it's the most expensive on our list. Also, with this many advanced features, you really need solid automotive knowledge to use it effectively. This isn't a beginner's tool. It's for serious DIYers or professionals who understand vehicle systems. But if you need that level of capability and want to avoid 2,000+ professional scanners, the XTOOL D7 delivers serious value. Link is in the description. Coming in at number 3, the TOPDON RD-Dia9 900 Lite scan tool. The standout feature here is the wireless functionality done right. With Bluetooth 5.0, you get stable, reliable wireless diagnosis without the headaches of older wireless scanners. The range really shines during bidirectional testing. You can walk around the vehicle commanding different components to activate while watching the tablet from outside the car. This is especially useful when you need to check lights, listen for pump activation, or watch mechanical movement while running tests. TOPDON upgraded the hardware significantly for 2025. Android 11.0 running on a processor that's 5 times faster than previous generations makes everything snappy. The 8-inch touchscreen genuinely feels like using a premium tablet, and that 10,000 mAh battery, you're looking at 12 hours of continuous use, which means you can handle multiple vehicles without constantly hunting for a charger. The downside, while the wireless feature is great, some users report occasional connectivity hiccups in environments with heavy electronic interference. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth mentioning. Also at $299 to $379, it's priced similarly to the MK808S. So you're essentially choosing between wireless convenience and slightly more comprehensive features. If wireless operation matters to you and you want modern hardware that'll last years, the RD-Dia9 900 Lite is solid. Check the description for the current deal. At number 4 sits the Launch CRP129X2 V.0 Elite Scan Tool. Launch updated this model in 2025, expanding from 8 to 12 reset services without raising the price. You're getting oil reset, steering angle calibration, electronic parking brake, TPMS reset, throttle adaptation, DPF regeneration, injector coating, battery management reset, AdBlue reset, headlamp matching, air fuel reset, and ABS bleeding. That's an impressive lineup for the price point. It handles 4-system diagnosis covering engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems, with live data streaming displayed in graphic format. This makes it easy to visualize what's happening in real time, rather than staring at raw numbers. Here's the reality check. At $149 to $199, you're getting tremendous value, but you're also getting 4-system diagnosis instead of full system. If you need to diagnose body control modules, infotainment systems, or other specialized modules, you'll need to step up to something like the MK808S. For most common repairs, though, the CRP129X absolutely delivers. This scanner makes the most sense for DIY enthusiasts who want professional capabilities without professional pricing, or as a backup scanner for shops that already have top-tier equipment. Links in the description. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Innova 5610 OBD2 bidirectional scan tool. In a world where scanner manufacturers increasingly push subscription models, Innova takes a different approach. The 5610 includes free lifetime updates with no hidden costs, no renewal fees, no surprises. Competitors in this category often charge $125 or more annually after the first year. Over 5 years, you'd spend more on subscriptions than this entire scanner costs. Despite the no subscription model, you're getting bidirectional controls that lets you test functions like fuel pump operation or retract electronic parking brakes. The advanced reset functions cover oil, battery, EPB, transmission, DPF relearn, TPMS relearn, throttle body relearn, steering angle sensor calibration, ABS bleeding, injector coating, and even key coding procedures. The catch with the Innova 5610 is that while it's solid for its price at $399 to $349, it doesn't match the processing power or interface polish of the Autel or XTOOL options. The hardware feels a generation behind, and the interface can be slower when navigating through menus. If you value the no subscription guarantee and reliable support over cutting-edge hardware, that's a fair trade. If you want the smoothest, fastest experience, look at the top 3 on our list. That said, for professionals tired of subscription fatigue or DIYers who want one tool they can count on for years without ongoing costs, the Innova 5610 makes a strong case. Links down below. Before you click that buy button, think about your specific needs. Every link is waiting in the description with current pricing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.